1, 2, 3, funk it.
Hey there YouTube, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for clicking on the video one more time. I appreciate you guys. We hit 500 subscribers and I'm really proud of myself. Never thought I would hit 500, but I did just this week. Thank you guys for your subscriptions and your likes and comments. And on today's video, I am bringing you guys a grill cutout on a 2018 Mustang. You can do this on any Mustang from 2015 through 2020, and it looks badass. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So here we have our victim. My boy Trig, we're gonna cut his grill out. So basically I'm gonna cut it from this edge right here all the way around. And he wants all of them cut out, especially the bottom one. Step one is to remove the front bumper. Have the bumper off, you gotta pretty much, you're gonna cut it from the back. But you gotta take this off right here. Little bumper.
When you press me to your I would roses bloom. When you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday word seems turning into love song.
Alright, so now that we took off the bottom piece, we're gonna cut from the top right here, but we gotta make sure we don't cut too far. So now we're gonna start cutting. I'm gonna start off with the corner there. You're gonna wanna cut as far back as possible, as long as you cut all the way in, you get me? You don't wanna cut too deep in. You need a Dremel, and then you need one of these reinforced bits, cutting wheels. I'm gonna start right here with this line and see where it takes me. Let's see where it left me. It's perfect. Perfect. Oh. Let's see. It's leaving us right on the edge right here, where this starts. So that's perfect actually.
1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving
So we
greater
pretty
than
much
6
cut out
miles
the
on
bottom piece
Friday
here,
morning.
but now that we have it all, you can see that we left a little. I cut a little bit too back, so I'm gonna just go a little forward, and then we're gonna get rid of this little gloves here.
Dream
plastic little flaps that I open and close.
Suggestion that Saturday night, sensational double thrill stock car spectacular at 7:30 at Norwood.
Cut the sides out. Now what I'm gonna do, what I just did to give myself an idea of where to put this tape to mark where I'm gonna cut, is by cutting from the outside first, just a little dab on the bottom and top, so it gives me a quick reference of where to put the tape so I could cut.
Shout out to that one dude, wait, fuck that, ain't nobody held my ass out on this jump through. Seems like they finally give a fuck when they see numbers climbing. Most my family don't even believe that those numbers mine. Remember when I got like 350?
Freaking my camera died on my phone and it stopped recording. So pretty much, let's go back over here. We finished cutting out the grill. We painted it with this chassis roll bar paint, so we could get that matte black finish. And now we're gonna, you can see the AC condenser, it's silver. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna paint it black so it could blend right in with the back of the grill. It could just look like a black hole pretty much. Well, all right guys, so now we already cleaned it up a little bit with some alcohol. Time to paint.
Yeah, I guess it's true that when they say the few will make it, and best believe in that category, I found a placement. This was never for the money or the payment, this was simply for respect, and a fuck you to those who hate it. I've seen people come and go, that's the crazy part, and even my closest homie said I ain't going very far. I've had many people tell me I should stop, but a little talk from these fuckers never made me wanna flop. Now it's 2 feet on a pedal, going harder than I ever have, and still ain't never settled. Shots to homie Jonas.
Alright guys, we're gonna cut this at the bottom grill. We're gonna want this cut out.
When I was going through bullshit, every time I cut and thought about blowing my skull, and I would turn that song to max and close the pill bottle I'd open. And even though the pain inside my head was never spoken, you're the reason I am me, and no longer the kid who's broken. So I thank you for reversing my frown and picking me up off the dirt when I was laying on the ground. The reason that the clock inside my head had been rewound, and the motivation you gave me to put on this fucking crown.
Okay, so now we're pretty much stuffing it up. Some Scotch-Brite just so I could paint it up real quick. Alright guys, so for the paint, this is what I'm using. Roll bar and chassis paint. Matte black. It looks like paint when it dries, it looks great.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
So my friend took this big ass piece off from the front here, I'm not sure exactly what that does, but I'm pretty sure it was slowing the car down. Weight reduction, brother. So let's hang tight till the other grill dries up, and we'll get it on. 3, 4. We have this bottom piece drying. We're almost done. We're waiting just for this, and we'll slap it on to the car. Damn, it looks way better, bro, with the mat. All right, time to put the bumper back on. Let's go. Grab it from the, grab it from the paint area. Right there, look. Try to get it off.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. For me.
Långt från hemska kusten skär ska jag fira julen här på Hawaii.
These corner ones are tiny, they're little. I don't think you have them anymore though, because we took them off the thing. Alright, now let's see.
This came off the side. This is from the.
I love it. The only thing I don't like is this. You can see that here. You want me to paint that? I can paint it.
Black.
Yeah. You want?
I'll do it later if anything.
You sure?
Let's
I
see.
can just paint it right here.
You think it'll look better black?
I think so, yeah.
Right?
Alright guys, so we love the way it looks. So you guys heard, it's just the only thing I don't like is this black, I'm sorry, this blue part. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna paint it black also. Let's do that now. It looks way better now. Yeah, it blends in. It's because the way these Mustangs are designed. If you guys didn't know that, but these Mustangs in the 2015 through 17, it's the same fucking front end, except they changed this radiator support, and that's it. Everything else from their back is the same. So I could technically make mine in 2018 just buying the whole front end, fenders, hood, and all that. Too much work though. This is the aftermath